welcome back to another video. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I got these popsicles because we ran out, so I decided to make my own. These were $1, so I thought that was pretty cool. It is the ice pop maker and it comes with 4 also cute colors, and then when it starts to melt it collects here and then they can drink it. So we will see how these hold up, but I'm gonna go ahead and make my own popsicles using 3 ingredients. Okay, so for the ingredients I'm going to be using frozen cherry berry blend, and I just get the Great Value bag. And then also some vanilla non-fat Greek yogurt, which is really yummy. And then to go along with the berries, I'm just gonna go ahead and use berry juice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball this. I don't know how much I'll need, but I put some frozen fruit in there. I'll probably add some water too. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. Okay, so then I'm gonna add, let me zoom in here, the Greek yogurt. And again, I'm just eyeballing this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do 3 big scoops. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place this on the NutriBullet, which if you don't have this item in your kitchen, I would highly, highly recommend it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just blend. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this out real quick. Now, I'm not sure how well this is going to work with this mixture, but we will see. I don't know if it should be thick or thin. Whoops. Okay, definitely added way too much water. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and place the lids on. Now you can use any mixture that you want. This will be a test run to see how well this works with the ingredients that I chose. You can also add spinach for a little bit more healthy popsicle. I'm gonna go ahead and freeze these, and then I will check back in with you and show you the end result of them freezing. Okay guys, so I did check these after about 4 hours and they were froze. It is the next day, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull one out. Oh my. Oh, there we go. So this is what it looks like. It's a little wobbly. So I'm going to see if my son likes this, and I will probably make another batch once this one is done, just to try another one. But for $1, maybe I didn't fill this one too full. Yeah, but for $1 you can't beat it. They're a little hard to get out. Okay, yeah, so they're wobbly. I don't understand why. Oh, they smell good though. Okay, I know this one was full, really full. Okay, yeah, so the fuller you make it, the less wobbly. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.